Hey there! Welcome to DesktopLightning.com. I'm about to show you how you can use our free software that you're about to get in just a minute when you fill out the sign-up form below and download it. Send any message you want, any advertisement you want, instantly, for free, directly to the computer screens of thousands of people all over the internet. It's something you really gotta see to believe. So I'm about to show you a live video of me actually sending a message using Desktop Lightning. Again, this is the free software that you can download immediately right after you sign up for a free account at DesktopLightning.com. It only takes a few seconds. So you can see that I've opened the software right here, and I'm going to go to the top, and I'm going to click Send Broadcast. It's really that easy. Now, you can see that for this account, the message is going to go out to 3 different networks. One of the networks has about 2,000 people in it. Another one has about 20 people in it. And another one has about another 2,000 people in it. The total here is about 4,500 people. So when I enter a message here and click send, 4,500 people are going to see this message directly on their computer screens, almost instantaneously. So just for demonstration purposes here, I'm going to make a quick little short message, but you can really type anything you want. So why don't we say, first name, check this out. Hey there, check out this cool site, www.exitgrabber.com. Signed, Liz. Now, when I scroll down and hit preview, it's going to let me preview my message exactly the way people will see it. And this link will be clickable as well. Now, you can see again, it's still confirming that it's going to go out to the same 4,500 people. So if I go here and click Send Now, almost instantaneously, the message I just wrote has been sent out directly to the computer screens of 4,500 people. This isn't email, this isn't instant messaging, it's something completely unique and new. Now, you might be wondering, how can we let you send your message directly to the desktops of 4,500 people for free? Well, part of the answer is you have to read other people's messages to be able to send. So if you go to Inbox here, you can see other messages that people have sent, and you've got to read at least 60% of them. That's how we make it fair. That's the magic behind our system that makes it work. But in addition to that, why 4,500 people? Well, if we go to statistics here, we can see that there are 3 different networks. One of those networks has a total of 2,236, but Liz only brought in 271 people. So how did it end up with that many people? Well, the answer is it grows virally. If you invite 271 people, then those people are going to invite people. See, those people invited 774, and those people invited people, and then those people invited people, and it keeps growing. You see, this network grows every day virally. I logged in just a few days ago to send another test message, and there were 250 less people in it. It's crazy. Let's go see if anybody's read the message that we just sent. I want to go to Broadcast Statistics, and we can see the message that I sent today to 4,500 people has already been read by 71 people. That's amazing. Have you ever seen anything like that? A free program that you can download instantly and where people will read your message almost instantly after you send them. You could really be making money today with this. Lots of people are. And just for fun, take a look. I mentioned that 3 days ago that I logged in and there were only about 4,250 people there. So this network has grown completely by itself. I didn't even have to do anything, by 250 people in just a few days. And also you can see the message that I sent just a few days ago has already been read by 2,000 people. That's just about 50% of the people who I sent it to. And that's just going to keep going up as we wait. So there's really no reason to hesitate. If you want to send your message to thousands of people all over the internet for free and instantaneously, you can download this exact software program just by filling out the form Or if you're watching this video on YouTube or somewhere else, just go to desktoplightning.com and fill out a quick little form. We'll set you up with a free account immediately. You can download this exact program for free and start sending broadcasts now. Good luck and have fun. If you're still curious about how Desktop Lightning works and you want all the details, all you have to do is sign up now and get a free account and download Desktop Lightning for free. We have many, many more videos right inside the application that explain everything in much more detail. Also, you'll be able to send messages instantly. And I think after you see your first message, you'll understand all about how it works. Finally, we've set up Desktop Lightning to have a one-click install and one-click uninstall that leaves absolutely no trace on your computer. Because we know that the best way for you to figure out if you like Desktop Lightning is just to try it. So go ahead, sign up now. Just fill out the simple form and download Desktop Lightning for free. You'll be sending messages to thousands of people all over the internet instantly.